So, hi, I'm Ellen if you're new here. Hey, welcome back if you're old here. Today we've got a little bit of a different video. Well, it's not really, I've done a few packing videos before, but it's a packing video for a work trip to Italy for the first week of my new job. So I am obviously like a little nervous about the trip, but more I'm a little nervous about, am I going to be wearing the right thing on the trip? And I just thought, if I pack with you, I go for it really like strategically and properly, then hopefully I'll get this right. I've ordered a few bits from Vinted to try and fulfill my packing needs. I ordered one dress that didn't fit right, so it would have been perfect, but I'm gonna give it to Laura and see if my sister and see if she wants it to wear to weddings, because it's absolutely beautiful. But the POA for when I'm in Italy is we get to Italy on Sunday night. We are going to a place called Bergamo, which is just outside of Milan, and I think near Lake Garda. So I think our first 2 nights are going to be spent on Lake Garda in like a resort where everyone from the work, like where I work, and also the European strands of the company are staying for like 2 days of conference. So I've got 2 days of the conference. One of those is like a big gala dinner where the dress code is casual smart, which is actually quite a hard dress code to fulfill. Like smart casual, like air on the side is smart, but like I'm also like, it's Italian, Spanish, French. Mainly that's the nationalities that are going, and they just dress so well. Okay, that's a sweeping statement, but the majority of the time, so I just want to be up there. I want to be up there, you know. This video already feels chaotic, so you can tell like I'm a little bit nervous. Yeah, so I need an outfit for that. That's probably the one I'm like the most like, what the hell am I wearing for that? The rest, I'm like, I just do like my style, but like smart wear. And then I'm 2 days in the head office of the like parent company of the company I'm working for, to train with the team there. They're going to be the team whose job I'm bringing over to the UK. So yeah, that is the little snippets of what's going on. I'm going to work in customer care, so like customer service, account management, everything customer related with the brand. So yeah, that's the what I'm going to do for my new brand. So yeah, it's really exciting. It's an amazing job opportunity. The products we work with are so cool. There's like only a handful of us running the whole company in the UK, so it's going to be really kind of like startup culture where like you bounce around, do a lot of like little bit of everything, and that is like the kind of environment I really thrive in. I love sticking my nose where I'm not wanted, honestly. So yeah, I'm really like so unbelievably excited about the new job. Just conscious about what I'm wearing to it. It's like that TikTok where it's like you say don't base your life around material things and like base it around events and occasions, but like what are we wearing? So without further ado, what the fuck are we wearing? Okay, I've just put on the outfit which I think I want to wear on my first day, and it's, you know when you put something on and it's like better than you imagined in your head? It's rare, but it's just happened. I'm gonna put the shoes on, I want to go with it, and then take you over to the mirror because we're obsessed. But I got these amazing shoes from Vinted. They're like round heel, like Margiela looking heel, Margiela looking toe. I'm really obsessed with them. They're brand new. Like, she's never worn these. They're gonna look so chic with this outfit. Pete said to me last night, I'm so worried about my outfits because what I'm actually nervous about is obviously this Italy trip, starting the new job, but my outfits is something I can control. And I think he was totally right with that statement. Like, that is where I think it stems down to, in terms of like a lot of my nervousness of things doesn't really manifest in actual like nervousness in like a normal way. Like I wouldn't say I get anxious for very much in my life, in all honesty, but I always like put it into stuff I can control. Like I'm like always like, oh, what am I going to wear to that occasion, or like what's my like full plan for that occasion. Like I'm nervous about whatever, that's more where it manifests, I'd say. So he was right. Okay, I brought you into my actual bedroom just because the lighting's better, but I love this. So got on old white H&M jeans, this little top which when I take the jacket off, it's like still like a really cute little puff sleeve, so it just looks really cute and flattering. The, oh god, the vintage shoes, just doing the most, looking so cute. And then I've got the jacket that I got from La Palma over, and then a little bag. Yeah, I'm a big fan of this look. I just feel, yeah, I feel really good in this. This is like a really good look. With my hair wavy, cute little like summery makeup. Yay! So I'm gonna go for these trousers as well, which are actually part of a suit I bought off Vinted forever ago now, but they are so cool. They also look great with these shoes and great with the black little top. So this is just a solid outfit as well. So I'm thinking I get like another top that can be interchanged between both. So if I don't feel like I want to wear the dresses or it pours down rain or something, then I've got at least got 2 pairs of trousers that I can work with. So, or if I pack 3 tops, then I can just do a little moment. I don't think it needs the jacket as well. Let me show you the jacket. Like, obviously this is super cool, but like, unless I just bring the jacket to like wear over stuff anyway, and then I've got it if I feel like it's appropriate to wear the whole thing. This is very chic actually, so I just won't wear the jacket on the plane or something. So I'm really vibing this top. I hate this little string on it. This top with the trousers. Again, I've still got the shoes on. I think I'm gonna take one more pair of shoes though. But this is a vibe to me. I think this is really cute. I'm gonna like, I would probably have it like tucked in. Because I think it just looks a bit smarter just because it casuals it down having that little, this little bit. So I think I'd probably just tuck it in properly and just have it like full tucked. But yeah, I think that's a really cute vibe, and that goes really well with the white trousers as well. Easy, simples. I'm really happy with these. Happy with how it's all coming together. I really just appreciate how easy packing is. My hair is completely ruined, isn't it? Packing is when you just genuinely like love your wardrobe. Like, there's so much to like slow shopping, keeping things in your wardrobe for years that you just love and make you feel amazing when you're wearing them, because like this is basically a similar set of outfits to what I did to La Palma. Like, I could quite easily strip my wardrobe back so much and still find like cute outfits to wear every day, because I just genuinely adore what's in there. And I was thinking about this month, I have done quite a lot of like hauls, come shop with me's over the past sort of month or so, and I don't think I really have very much more coming from Vinted, but there is a leather jacket I've got my eye on, but not too many like actual like clothing pieces, more like additional accessories like these shoes, which I think I'm gonna treasure. They are so cool. So yeah, I'm thinking this is gonna be, well, one of those is gonna be my outfit for Monday for the first day of the conference. I'm thinking the white jeans look, and then I'm gonna wear on the second day, because it's like more of a chilled day, I'm gonna wear this gorgeous white dress. It's gonna be 17 degrees. I don't know if I'm going too summery, but yeah, I'm gonna wear this gorgeous white dress. And then on my first day in the office, I'm either gonna wear this outfit I'm wearing, or I'm gonna wear this gorgeous, the white dress is secondhand from Royal Trinity Hospice, by the way, and then this gorgeous white dress is from a store in La Palma called Blue Papaya. Not that you're probably, I mean, how many of you watching this are going to be in La Palma, but yeah, I'm going to wear this, I think, on one of the days, because they're like that kind of like spring, like perfect spring outfit, and oh, this dress looks so good on me, and I feel so confident in it. And I love like a midi maxi dress, because I'm like, you're just throw it on and your outfit is like put together and done. So gonna take that. So it's literally just an outfit for that smart casual dinner that I need to figure out, which was obviously always gonna be the hard bit. Okay, for the casual smart affair, I think I am gonna be wearing this dress. I bought it ages ago to go to a spontaneous wedding with Pete, and it's lived in my wardrobe ever since, and I absolutely love it. It doesn't fit me quite the same as it used to. It's a bit baggy and here and stuff, but I think it still looks absolutely gorgeous. It's just a beautiful dress. What I do need is a little pin, because it is quite gapey, so it just needs a little like pinning there, just so it's only a little bit of cleavage rather than the whole moment, you know. So yeah, I need to, at my mum's this weekend, so I'm just gonna ask her for a pin, then we can just be a little more cute. And we're not leaving the I don't think we're leaving the hotel to go anywhere, so it's literally just like downstairs in the hotel, and I could just tack this on with, I was thinking just with these little sandals. They're little like cute, because these are like quite casual sandal, but then I can wear my smarter shoes I'm taking with me if I feel I need to. So yeah, I think this is it. So this is the chaos of the packing situation right now. I have a little suitcase here. I do need to get like a nice suitcase, I feel. This is just Pete's old one that I use. I do want, so yeah, on the to-do list for when I've got my lovely new salary, buy a nice suitcase. But yeah, let's try and organise this nicely. So I've got it all sorted. You may notice this dress is still out. This jacket's out because I think I'm going to just wear it on the plane. I haven't decided on that dress. I've put it to the people of Instagram to help me decide. So let's see. I've only been up for a few minutes, but let's see what they've said so far. Okay, people are saying yes. 80% yes, 20% no. That doesn't help. I want 100% yes on this outfit. I do have this little green top as well, which is like a floaty green top. I've got these cool pants inside of it at the moment. Thinking, could I do something with this green top? Let's hang it there. Think of some inspiration. So Instagram basically helped me decide that this dress is totally appropriate. I also think, like, oh god, if I want to wear something different, there's options in here that could also work. I also am a bit funny. I don't want to take another pair of shoes. If I've got one pair of shoes in there, I don't really want to take another one. Obviously, I'm going to wear a pair of shoes, so I might just wear another pair of shoes, like a cute sandal or something on the. It's going to be 17 degrees. That is cute sandal weather, isn't it? It is. Right. I'm going to wear a pair of sandals on, or like a nice shoe on the plane, and then I've got the nice like smarter pair and then a more casual pair of shoes. I think that's what I'm gonna do. I think that's the right decision. And I've also got in here 2 packing cubes, so I'm gonna put like underwear. I'm gonna take swimwear and gym wear just in case I need it. I'm only going for 4 days, but like just in case, I've got loads of space. And then jewelry, toiletries, adapters, all that kind of stuff is obviously all going to go in, but this was really all about the outfits. And then on the plane, I'm going to wear this jacket, I think, with my jeans and those shoes sitting over there. They're like they're little like sandal shoes basically. So this jacket, either jeans or like linen trousers. Linen trousers could be quite cool. I might wear this with linen trousers and like a cute little t-shirt. I think that's going to be the vibe, honestly. So yeah, wear that on the plane, and then I just need to decide what handbag I'm taking with me, and I think that's pretty much it. So that is all my pyjamas, swimwear, knickers and stuff that are going in that little packing cube. Everything's in there. I've put my bits that I need to be ironed in our big ironing pile, and I've started to kind of set up my, oh god it's so bright, like little other bits I'm packing. So this is my adapters, I put all my chargers into here, and I've also put like a clip, some earrings and some bits and bobs of jewellery. And then this is going to be for all my makeup pieces, which I'm not packing yet because I'm not going yet, so that will be packed when whoa, the sun is so bright, which is amazing. That will be packed when I pack, when I'm done using it, so probably like Saturday night. And then I've got these 2 little tins which I thought I could put like some face wash and some moisturizer and stuff into, just so it's kind of separate, is what I was thinking. So yeah, because I've only got carry-on, so I need to like get all my liquids small and separate. But yeah, I think I'm going to end the video there, guys. I hope it was enough content. I don't really know. I'm still umming and ahhing about that bloody dress, so that is still up in the air whether that's going to be what I wear or not. But I am going to try and vlog Italy. Like, it'll probably be iterations of like in and around what I'm like getting up to, what I can film, just kind of talking to you about like what I'm up to while I'm out there, that sort of thing, how I'm feeling about it. It'll be more like that side of things. And obviously I'll be posting on my Instagram, which is Ellen's in Wonderland, if you'd like to go check that out. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the random little video, guys, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.